Hey there, design enthusiasts. I'm thrilled to introduce you to Canva, the ultimate design platform that's revolutionizing the way people create stunning visuals. In a world where visuals are key to making a lasting impression, Canva stands out as a game changer. With its intuitive interface, vast library of templates, and powerful editing tools, Canva empowers anyone to unleash their creativity and bring their ideas to life. Let's explore some of the standout features that make Canva the go-to choice for designers of all levels. User-friendly interface, vast template library, powerful editing tools, collaboration made easy. Whether you're a small business owner, a social media influencer, a student, or a creative professional, Canva has something to offer everyone. Create eye-catching marketing materials, design stunning social media graphics, impress your classmates and teachers, or take your designs to the next level with Canva's advanced editing tools. In conclusion, Canva is more than just a design tool. It's a creative powerhouse that empowers individuals and businesses to make an impact with beautiful visuals. Join millions of users worldwide and unlock your creative potential with Canva today.